Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill like a pop for this love pain? Anybody got...
Hello everyone, it is Keisha from Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Y'all, I know it has been a minute since I have done a video, but with 2021 coming right along, I decided that the best way for me to make a comeback was to film my 2021 planner lineup. Now, if you guys have watched my videos, you know that I am one of those planner people who use tons of planners throughout the year. But to my surprise, I have scaled it down a bit. And if you look at this stack, this is scaling it down a bit. So let me go ahead and jump right in and show you what I'm going to be using. Now, this might come as a surprise to some of you. I am continuing to use a couple of my planners. The first one is this Mini Wild Style. I love this planner. I started this planner in July of this year. It's an 18-month planner. And so I did not even buy another mini planner. This is the one that I use for on the go. And I am going to continue to use this one throughout the year 2021. At least I've got my fingers crossed, so hopefully. But this is the first one I'm going to be using. I'll finish this one up, and hopefully I can go the whole 18 months with this. So that's the first one, my on-the-go mini happy planner. All right. So next, I am going to continue this planner. This is the classic Wild Style planner. I use this one as my catch-all, and again, it's 18 month, and I want to continue to use this planner throughout 2021. I just love it. I love the layout. It's a vertical layout, and you know, I really like it. I have a lot of different sections in here. So I'm going to just continue that on through the rest of 2021. Hopefully I can use it the whole 18 months. So we will see. But this one, I use this as my catch-all planner. It has a little bit of everything. It's kind of like a Mod Podge of all my planners put together. So, but that's the second one. All right, next is the Wellness Warrior. So I'll be using the Wellness Warrior to track my wellness, kind of keep up with it. But I'll be the first to admit I'm not really good at keeping up with my wellness planner. So, but I think it is very important to start with that goal every year. So I'll be using it again. This is the Wellness Warrior. I also picked up the Wellness Warrior stickers as well as an accessory pack to go with it. So I'm going to go ahead and try this one again. This was just gorgeous, and you know, I just had to have it. So this is going to be my wellness planner. So we'll see how this goes. Next, I have the Biz Babe planner. This was part of an HSN bundle, and it is an undated dashboard layout planner. Now, what my plan is to use this as a social media / business planner. So I'll be using it to track things that I have to do on Instagram for my personal account, as well as for the magazine account. And I'm really going to try to focus on getting back into my filming for YouTube. So this is going to be the planner that I'm going to use for all things social media and business. So we'll see how this one goes. I've seen a couple of people show how they're using this planner for social media, and I've heard rave reviews at how this dashboard layout really works well. So we're going to try this one out and see how it goes. Now the last planner, yes, the last planner, that's only 5, I think, is the Minimalist. Now, this is the one that I've had a kind of tough time trying to figure out what I'm going to use it for, but I have decided I'm going to use this as my home planner. It was just too gorgeous when I saw this cover and that copper foiling. I don't know if you can see it, that copper writing. I just had to have it. I love the mixed metal look. And I'm going to use this one. It is a vertical layout. Very minimal colors. I'm not sure how I'm going to go with these little dashes of color each month, but I don't think that'll be too bad as far as my color coordinating goes. But I'm going to use this as my home planner. I'll keep things in here like things I need to do around the house. I'll keep meal planning in here. I'll keep my budget in here. And so that's how I plan on using this one. Look at it. Isn't it pretty? I love it. And I said it was copper. Maybe it's their version of rose gold. I don't know. But this was just beautiful. And I am going to change out these discs. Really don't like the gold. I think that because of this copper foiling, it really needs to pop. So I don't know if it's copper or rose gold, but I'll make a video and I'll show you what I'm changing these discs out to. I think it's going to be really pretty. So, but just to recap, I have the Minimalist. That's going to be my home planner. Biz Babe is going to be my social media / business planner. I have the Wellness Warrior. This is going to be to track wellness. I have my Wild Style, which I'm continuing to use from this year, as well as my Wild Style Mini. There's only one other planner that I'm planning, well, two other planners that I'm planning on adding into this. One is going to be the Love Letters Planner. It's the calligraphy planner from the Happy Planner, so I'm going to use that. And I'll just be using that to work on my hand lettering. And the other would be the Faith Guided Notes. So I'm going to just be pulling pages from that and trying that out. And I'll probably put it in my home section. I'll probably put that Faith section in my home planner. But I want to try that out just so that I can try to do like my verse a day and everything in one place. I've been using planners with the soap method, and you know, that really didn't work for me because I was doing a verse a day, and sometimes the different sites that I would use would have their 30-day devotionals out late, and I get behind, and so you know, I'd end up putting it down. So I'm going to try something different this time and see how that works. But that's it. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment down below. If you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.